Hello guys, in this video we're going through a complete tutorial on how to create video using Canva without needing any video experience whatsoever. So today I'm going to show you how you can add animation effects that gives life to the video and also how to add music to your video. I have a bonus tip on how to add music to your content without getting a copyright infringement strike. So stay tuned to the end of the video. Welcome guys back to my channel. So let's jump right in. So here at the Canva homepage, to start, we're going to come right here and we're going to either click video. You can type in video here or you can just click videos here. So as you can see, there are lots of templates that are here available for you to use. It depends on your size and the format of the video you want to create. But today we're going to start with this blank video. So here we are on the Canva editor interface. Over here by your left, we have the templates and all the tools that you would need to create your video. And over here is the canvas area. This is where you will create your video. And at the bottom here is the timeline. This is where your video clips will be lined up for you to edit. So first of all, let us bring in our footage into the canvas. So in case you have your own videos that you want to edit, you can just come right here to upload and then you can import the video. Click on upload files here and you can import from Facebook, your Google Drive, your Instagram or Dropbox. But today we are going to be using a template. So I'm going to click on this template. So to edit any scene, you simply click on that scene like this, and then you double click right here. And you can see that it is highlighted. So we can go ahead and edit on the scene. First of all, you can see that this scene consists of different elements. We have the title element, we have the background element, and then we have this other element, call it icon, because this is an icon that was imported via the elements section. I'm going to show you how to import this element later in the video. So right now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to edit the background. So I'll click on that. You can see it's highlighted. The box here is highlighted. So I'm going to click on delete, and now I have a blank space. So now I'm going to go ahead and bring in a background of my choice. So right now we'll go to photos, and in here you can search for a keyword that represents what you are working on, that represents your brand, that represents the content of the ad. So for me, I am creating a Christmas charity themed ad. So I'm looking for Christmas related theme. So I'm going to click on Christmas background and it's going to bring out lots of background. Please always remember only pro users have access to the pro elements available. So you can go ahead and search for any free photo that you like and you can bring it into your video. So for now, I already have the photo I want to use for this video. I'm going to go ahead right here and click on it. So here the photo has been imported into the canvas. So I am going to drag these corners to resize the photo to fit into the desired size of the video. So right now, you can see that the photo is in front and it has blocked the other elements that was showing. So we are going to right click on this photo and we're going to send it to the back. And now it's at the back and then the other element is out here in front. So I'm going to go ahead and edit on the second element, which is this. I'm going to delete and then bring in a photo that I want. So this is it. So you're going to drag this photo on top of that element and there it is. It's automatically resizes itself to fit into the shape of that element. So here we have the title element. So I'm going to simply delete this and I'm going to type in my title, which is giving back with Eva. So that is the title of this project. So I want to go ahead and add a background to this title because it's not popping because the white is blending into the other colors in the picture. So I'm going to go to elements right here at lines and shapes. I'm going to click on the square shape. You can see it has been imported into the video. Now I'm going to drag this and resize it to a rectangle. And now I'm going to drag it on top of the title until it fits into the title or until the title fits into the elements. Sorry, I'll need to turn off this Canva. Yeah, so there we have it. As you can see, it is perfectly fitted into the box. Good. So what am I going to do? I don't like this font. I'm going to go ahead and change the font. So you come up here. Here we have different fonts available. And always remember the crown ones are for pro users. So I'm going to go ahead and use Canva Sans because I like it. And then we drag the title until it fits into the box. Now, so what I want to do next is to change the color of the background. The hex code of each color is highlighted. When you put your cursor over the color, you would see the code down here, like this black. The hex code is hashtag. Always remember the hashtag. The hashtag must come before the code. So here is hashtag, that's up to 6 zeros. So for now, I'm going to click on, sorry, I'm going to type in hashtag, the code of my color, which is BC1823. And this is the color I want to use for the background. So now there you have it. This scene is complete. So what I want to do now is add animation to this scene. Animation is when the text or the photos have effect that gives them movements. Okay, let me explain it that way. But to do that, let's go over here and animate. And here are different or various types of animation. As you can see, this is a page animation. But if you want to give animation to just the text, that is just this text, you can see that the option for text animation has come out. So whatever animation you do is just the text element that will be affected. You are not going to apply this to the whole page. But if you click on the page animation, the whole page is going to be animated, including the box, the background, the elements behind. Yeah. So for now, I just want to give the animation, apply the animation to the text. So over here, I'm going to click on rise. I like that. So let's see. And you can go ahead and browse through different animations and see which one you like. So we're going to stick with rice. And now you can play this scene by dragging this to the beginning and see what go ahead and edit the other scenes. So I'm going to go ahead and delete the background. I'm going to add another background and do the same thing that we did earlier. And then send to the back. Go ahead and delete this too. Add our picture. And now I'm going to insert a title. So you come over to the text section, you click on it, and I want to insert a subheading. And in here, I'm going to type present and then drag it down. See this in this. Always look out for this purple line. It shows you when your element is in the center or in an equal position. So this is okay. I'm going to go ahead and change the font to the font color to white, and then I'm going to add line spacing. That's okay. So now I'm going to add animation to this title, which is going to be the pan. So it just slides right into the page. Yeah, also be mindful of the time. For this first page, you can see the time is 4.9 seconds. So to adjust your time, you can click on that. You can increase it by dragging it over here. You can see your clip has been increased to 12 seconds. That means this is going to play for 12 seconds. Or you can reduce the time by dragging it back if you want the time to be shorter. But for the purpose of this video, we're going to leave it at 4.8 or 4.9. You can simply just type it. That did not reflect. Okay, so that's it. So we're going to play a video and see what it looks like. So later I'm going to change the music, but for now this is the music that came with the initial template. So you can always change your music. I'm going to show you how to do that later in the video. So we're going to go ahead and edit all the other pages. So for this scene, as always, I'm going to change the background. Now I have a theme process in mind. I want to do a color combination of background red, red, and then white, then red, red, white. Let me show you what I mean. So for this background, I'm going to go to photos, and now I'm going to insert another photo, this one. And send to the back. Now I want to change this icon. So Christmas or Santa hat. So I want to put this, and then you resize it. You can see that shows that it's in the center. Now I want to turn it a little bit. So that's it. And then this elements, line elements, I'm going to drag it over here. To increase it, you drag it up, and then you can change the color. I'm going to change this to red. Good. So now comes the title of this event. So I'm going to delete this, and then I'm going to add my own fonts. I'm going to add a heading, and in this heading I'll just type in the letter C, and I want to drag this to it's big enough, say at 277, and I'll drag it up here. Just watch me. And I'm going to go ahead to change those fonts to old standard, and also change the color to this. And then I'm going to duplicate this font and leave it out here. I'm spelling or typing Christmas, but I want just watch what I'm doing. So I'm going to change this letter to S. Now I have the beginning of the word Christmas and the end of the word Christmas. So in between, first of all, I forgot to put in my subheading. In here, I'm going to type community. And I want this font to be in, say, 52. Okay, that's perfect. It's already in 52. So I'm going to copy this by I'm holding your Control C and then Control V, copy and paste. And in here, I'm going to type the word Risma. And I'm going to reduce that font to 103. And then drag it over here. So now I'm typing, I want to type the community Christmas cheer. So I'll just go ahead and just copy and paste some items, and I'll be right back. Now I want to group all these elements so when I'm moving them, it doesn't move out of position. To group your elements, you click on one element, you hold on your shift key, and then you go ahead and click on all elements that you want to be grouped. And you come over here and type and press group. So now when you move this element, it moves as one element, so you can position your elements well in the center, or you simply go here, click on position, and click on center. So now it has centered your elements. And then you go ahead and center this one. Okay, this looks good. So now we want to add animation to this whole page. So you click on animate. So I'll go ahead and add the drift animation to just the text. Now let's play it and see what it looks like. Can we just go ahead and add music now? Because I don't like the soundtrack. So to do that, you click on this purple line and then the music brush. The music timeline comes up and then you click on audio. You can use the free songs available on Canva, though it's very limited, or you can upload your own audio. So I'll upload my audio. To do that, you can just go to upload files and then you can bring it from wherever it is. But I already have my audio uploaded, so I'll just click on that and you can see the new upload down here. So I'm going to delete the initial audio, and then take mine and let's play it and see what it sounds like. So I'm going to do this to all the pages and then I'll be right back. So now we have a final page and let's see what that looks like. So let's start from the beginning and see what we have created. So that's it, guys. We have a brand new video ad for our project, and that was so easy to do. Thank you all for watching. Now you can go ahead and save that video and click over here to download the video. And when your download is complete, it will be indicated to you where the file has been saved. So thank you guys for watching. And yeah, for the bonus tip, so now concerning the audio that I uploaded, this audio was from YouTube library and it's free music that you can use. These are instrumentals videos that are already uploaded in YouTube, so you have access to a whole lot of them. So you can download the video from YouTube library and then you can import into your job.